Have you ever pondered the true power that lies within your words? It's a question that might seem simple at first, yet it holds profound implications. Every word we utter, every sentence we form, carries a weight that can influence our thoughts, our actions, and ultimately our reality. Imagine, if you will, words as building blocks. Each one you choose to use contributes to the structure of your thoughts and ideas. They become the foundation upon which your reality is built. The words you choose, the phrases you repeat, they all shape your perception of the world around you and, in turn, your interaction with it. Think about how a single word can affect your mood instantly. A compliment can make you feel on top of the world, while a harsh word can send your spirits plummeting. That's the power words hold over our emotions. They can uplift us, inspire us, or if used carelessly, they can hurt and demoralize us. But the influence of words extends beyond just our emotions. They affect our actions too. The language we use can either motivate us to take action or make us feel stagnant. A simple shift in our internal dialogue can make the difference between I can't and I can, between failure and success. Furthermore, words have a profound impact on our overall life trajectory. They shape our beliefs, our attitudes, and our behaviors. They can reinforce negative thought patterns, or they can help us cultivate a positive mindset. The words we use can bind us to our past, or they can propel us towards a brighter future. To truly harness the power of words, we must understand them not as mere sounds, but as powerful tools that can shape our reality. They are like keys that can unlock new perspectives and open doors to new possibilities. So the next time you speak, remember, your words are more than just a form of communication. They are instruments of creation, capable of shaping your thoughts, your actions, and your reality. Choose them wisely. In essence, words are not mere sounds, but powerful tools that can either construct or destruct. Now let's delve into the world of affirmations. Affirmations, my dear listeners, are much like seeds planted in the fertile soil of our minds. They are positive, specific statements that help us to overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. They encourage us to visualize and believe in what we're affirming to ourselves, setting the stage for making changes in our lives. Imagine your mind as a garden. The thoughts you sow, you'll reap. Plant roses, you'll harvest roses. Plant thorns, you'll harvest thorns. Affirmations are the roses of your mind garden. When you repetitively and consciously choose positive thoughts or affirmations, you cultivate a mindset that is conducive to growth, resilience, and transformation. But how do affirmations work, you may wonder? The answer lies in our brain's remarkable adaptability, its ability to rewire itself, a phenomenon scientists call neuroplasticity. When we repeatedly feed our brain with positive affirmations, it strengthens the neural pathways associated with those thoughts, making it easier for our mind to access and amplify them. It's akin to carving a path through a dense forest. The more you tread on it, the clearer and more defined it becomes. Why are affirmations effective? Because they speak to our subconscious mind, the part of us that operates below our conscious awareness, but influences much of our behavior, emotions, and habits. By consciously choosing affirmations that support our goals and aspirations, we can subtly reprogram our subconscious, shifting our perspectives and aligning our actions towards the outcomes we desire. Affirmations are effective because they are personal, purposeful, and present tense. They resonate with our inner truths and aspirations, pulling us towards our potential rather than pushing us away from our fears. They are not just about thinking positive. They are about believing in our abilities, nurturing our strengths, and reinforcing our commitment to our goals. So affirmations are not just feel-good phrases. They have the power to rewire our brains and transform our lives. Now that we comprehend the influence of affirmations, let's unravel the concept of statements. Statements are declarations or assertions we make, expressing a fact, opinion, or belief. They shape our perception of the world around us and influence our behavior. Unlike affirmations, which are inherently positive and geared towards fostering a positive mindset, statements can be positive or negative. They can build us up or tear us down depending on their nature. Think of statements as the narrative we weave about ourselves and our world. This narrative, once internalized, becomes our reality. For instance, if you consistently tell yourself, "I'm not good at public speaking," you start to believe it. This belief manifests in your behavior, and you may avoid opportunities that involve public speaking, reinforcing your initial statement. On the flip side, if you tell yourself, "I'm confident and articulate," you start to believe this positive statement. You approach public speaking opportunities with enthusiasm, reinforcing your initial positive statement. But here's where the magic happens. Much like affirmations, the more we repeat a statement, the more it gets ingrained in our subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind, not distinguishing between reality and imagination, accepts these statements as truth and guides our actions accordingly. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. The impact of statements on our mindset and behavior is profound. Positive statements can elevate our self-esteem, boost our confidence, and motivate us to achieve our goals. Negative statements, on the other hand, can trap us in a cycle of self-doubt and inaction. So it's crucial to be mindful of the statements we make, especially those about ourselves. Negative self-talk can be destructive, but the good news is we have the power to change the narrative. By consciously choosing positive, empowering statements, we can reshape our mindset, modify our behavior, and ultimately transform our reality. Statements similar to affirmations can play a significant role in shaping our reality. Being aware of the power of words, affirmations, and statements, how can we harness this power effectively? To answer this question, we must delve into the strategies that can guide us in using affirmations and statements effectively. The first strategy is consistency. Consistency is key when it comes to affirmations and statements. An isolated affirmation or statement may not have a profound impact, but repeated consistently, they can influence your subconscious mind and reshape your reality. Think of it as watering a plant. One day of watering won't make it flourish, but consistent care and attention will. Likewise, affirmations and statements need to be repeated consistently to seep into our subconscious minds and effect positive change. Another strategy is belief. For an affirmation or a statement to work, you must believe in it wholeheartedly. If you say an affirmation but don't truly believe in it, it's like trying to light a fire with damp wood. The spark just won't catch. Belief is the match that lights the flame of transformation. So choose affirmations and statements that resonate with you, that evoke a sense of truth and positivity within you. Do not simply mimic the words of others. Instead, search within yourself for those words that hold power and meaning for you. The third strategy is positive wording. Words are powerful tools, but they can be double-edged swords. Negative words can create negative realities, so it's crucial to word your affirmations and statements positively. Instead of focusing on what you don't want or what you're trying to avoid, focus on what you do want and what you're aiming to achieve. For example, instead of saying "I am not afraid," say "I am courageous." Instead of saying "I won't fail," say "I will succeed." By doing this, you're focusing your energy on the positive outcome, which can be much more effective in bringing about the change you desire. By consciously choosing our words, affirmations, and statements, we can actively shape our reality. Harnessing the power of words is not a one-time act, but an ongoing process. It's a commitment to personal growth, a journey towards a better, more fulfilling life. Scene script. Let's wrap things up with some practical examples of affirmations and statements you can start using today. First, let's delve into affirmations. These are positive expressions you can use to reprogram your mind, replacing negative thoughts with positive ones. Our first affirmation is, "I am capable and strong. I can overcome any challenge that comes my way." Say this to yourself when you're facing a difficult task or a daunting hurdle. It reinforces your inner strength and boosts your confidence. The second affirmation we have is, "I am deserving of love, happiness, and success." Use this affirmation daily, particularly during moments of self-doubt. It serves as a reminder that you are worthy of all good things life has to offer. Moving on to our third affirmation. Every day in every way, I am getting better and better. This is a powerful general affirmation that you can use every morning to set a positive tone for your day. Our fourth and final affirmation is, I am grateful for the abundance in my life. Recite this affirmation at the end of your day, before you sleep, reflecting on the blessings you've received. Now, let's talk about statements. These are declarations that set your intentions and shape your reality. The first statement is, today I choose joy. Use this statement every morning, deciding to embrace positivity regardless of external circumstances. Our second statement is, I am making progress towards my goals every day. This statement is best used when you feel overwhelmed by a big project or a long-term goal. It helps you focus on the journey rather than the destination. Thirdly, we have, I am a beacon of love and kindness. Use this statement to remind yourself of your capacity to spread positivity and affect people around you. Our final statement is, I am in control of my destiny. This statement affirms your ability to shape your future, reinforcing your sense of agency and empowerment. Remember, the power to transform your life lies within your words.
Recuerda, suscríbete al canal, activa las notificaciones y así recibirás aviso de todos los vídeos que subo periódicamente, con la única finalidad de ayudarte y darte a conocer técnicas y consejos para que consigas tener una vida más feliz. Si te ha gustado el vídeo, dame un like en apoyo al canal y espero verte pronto. Brilla con luz propia.